Concerned that my flight was going to get canceled because there was a
Yeah.
bunch of flights that got canceled last week with the bomb cyclone.
Yeah, that was a really big deal, especially you had a connecting flight and you were relying on another one to show up before you could get on yours. Yeah, it really caused a lot of problems, but thankfully that storm is long gone. Now it's just that aftermath as people try to just sort of pick up the pieces after what had happened there. We do have a little disturbance even ourselves. The farthest cry from serious situation, however, this is a really weak disturbance. And looking at storm scan, the bark's actually worse than the bite, guys. This looks maybe like there's a little snow falling across Chester County, but at least one of our eyewitness weather watchers who's in this area reports nothing's actually hitting the ground. So the moisture content is very sparse. We do, however, have an opportunity for a stray shower or a thunderstorm or a snow shower at some point today, so it could be rain or snow. However, it's not going to amount to much, and certainly you don't have to worry about accumulation. But it's cold enough that you're seeing these flakes, at least in the higher levels of the atmosphere. Meanwhile, let's look at future weather. This really is very unimpressive, to say the least. I do want to give you a sense, however, if I can get it to move. There we go. Some of these showers that are going to move through. So you saw that little mixing take place there where there was a little bit of snow, a little bit of not necessarily ice, but the mixing that may go on just because it's still cold enough. And that'll continue, especially for the southern counties first half of the day. Then there may be a little batch of leftover moisture later this evening. But by and large, many of you may not even see a drop of anything until as this is crossing through. And then we do clear back out again for Tuesday. Now, beyond this point, the temperature does begin a rebound. Come on, clicker. There we go. But for now, it is below average. Our daytime high just 46 degrees. Average high is 53. But this is proof that you can see anything at this time of year. The record high is 78. Yesterday, the record was actually in the mid 80s. So very vast pattern changes take place in the month of March. That's nothing new. It's why we have that phrase, comes in like a lion, goes out like a lamb, because you see a lot of variety. But with time, as the temperature warms, spring officially gets underway, and there will actually be a few spring showers to go with that first full day of the season on Thursday.